Opoji is an Asan town located in Asan Central Local Government Area of Edo State. Opoji consists of 7 rural villages and, like most other rural areas in Nigeria, almost 100% of the residents of Opoji are subsistent farmers living in a community where access to healthcare is close to zero. A few years ago, some eminent sons and daughters of Opoji, led by Honorable Patrick Ihariale and Barrister Ehikioya Anegbe, with support from the Onoje of Opoji, decided it was time to turn a shattered, derelict, and ancient maternity home into a modern health center for the delivery of primary care to the people of Opoji. The project was quickly executed and placed under a management agreement with the Iroa Specialist Hospital, Iroa, for the provision of the required physicians, nurses, and other medical staff. We, sons and daughters of Opoji, who are lucky to live in cities across Nigeria, Africa, or abroad, we know how important healthcare is to the quality of life anyone can have. It is not surprising to any one of us in this room that Nigerian communities with poor or no access to healthcare have a remarkably high death rate due to preventable and treatable illnesses. Opoji is one of such communities. The nearest hospitals to Opoji are about 10 to 15 miles away in Iroa and Epoma. Having access to such hospitals whenever there is an urgent need to see a doctor is almost impossible, partly because of bureaucratic bottlenecks, but largely due to debilitating poverty and lack of transportation. Therefore, the building, equipping, stocking, and staffing of a health center in Opoji is a life-saving project. It is a project all members of Opoji Delight North America have embraced with unflinching commitment. It is a project all sons and daughters of Opoji, wherever they may be, have embraced wholeheartedly. The project has also been embraced by Providence Healthcare System, a top 10 health system in the United States of America. In 2021, Providence formed a partnership with 2 non-profit organizations, Urban Health 360, Precious Gem, and Opoji Health Center, to enhance the capacity of the doctors and nurses providing healthcare services to the people of Opoji through the new health center. The Providence program trains and supports physicians, medical students, and care teams in Opoji, so they are equipped to address more complex and specialized health needs in the community. Medical specialists from Providence regularly mentor local healthcare professionals in Opoji via telehealth. The health center's healthcare professionals, who are primarily staffers of the Iroa Specialist Hospital, and their patients are eager to participate in the telehealth program. The project has now improved access to essential health services for patients in need, and these patients are our parents, our brothers and sisters who live at home. Ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, friends and well-wishers, we are all critical to the success of this health center project. There are lots and lots of work to be done. The health center needs additional exam rooms, medical equipment, computers, a pharmacy, 2 ambulances, 2 power generators, staff quarters, and financial grants and donations to support its running costs.
While I was growing up, the center was a maternity home where my younger brother was born and nurtured. But today, the center can no longer cater for wounds due to lack of equipment. Please join us as we contribute to raise the standard of care at this center. We will do that one patient at a time. Imagato Makali is saying.
We are making progress, part of which is how we have been able to help upgrade the Opoji Health Center at home. Because we know by doing this, we will be able to eliminate health disparities. Our people will have access to good and quality health care when they need it. This is very important. So, I want to thank all members of Opoji Delight North America for their effort so far. We are making progress. Thank you very much. Babulu Babulu.
I was in Opoji May this year, and on a Sunday afternoon, I had the need to go to the health center. When I got to the health center, there was a nurse there, and I was also told that there was a doctor on call. In fact, the doctor's house is next to the health center. So I was so happy that on a Sunday afternoon, I could walk into a health center right there in Opoji, speak to a nurse, and also know that there is a doctor on call next to the hospital there in case I needed to speak with the doctor. So please, let's support this project so that we can equip the place to better serve the community. Thank you.
We just watched the project that we're embarking upon in Opoji. We can't do this alone without you. We need your support. And so I use this opportunity to solicit your support. Join us in this project, and we pray that God will bless you. We are indeed very grateful.
This health center is very important to us because we know the conditions of health centers, clinics, and hospitals in Nigeria. We want to make sure that our people have the best access to health services. So what we have done is to gather as much as we can and bought as many equipment as we are able to buy and have supplied those to the clinic, to the health center. As at now, there is so much more to be done. That is why we are asking you to dig deep into your pocket and donate towards this project. This project will save lives. This project will save not only the lives of Opoji, but the other people that live in the rural area around us. We want to make this health center as an example. So we need your help. So whatever you can do to help us meet these goals will be highly appreciated.
We are blessed. According to Mother Teresa, life is not how much we give, but how much love we put into giving. To borrow from the words of Denzel Washington, at the end of the day, it's not about what you have or even what you have accomplished. It is about who you have lifted up, who you have made better. It is also about what you have given back.
The Opoji Health Center project is a noble cause. We appeal to you for your generous support. We are honored and inspired by your presence and count on you for kind donations to help make quality healthcare accessible to the people of Opoji. Your donations will save a life and deliver hope and health to our parents, our siblings, and our neighbors now and for generations to come. God bless you and your family, and may He bless the work you do.